We are set up at the 1340 building, and I am at the north corner roof, about to send the camera to go in the south direction. We are at the north corner roof, and at a 3-inch vent stack, sending the camera down line. This is PVC, which most likely means there was a repair done. The camera is submerged underwater as we push it down line, seeing if we can get a clear visual. But our lens is dirty, as you can see, because of the amount of buildup that's inside of this sewer line. We will pull camera back, set up at the next vent stack. We are set up at the 3-inch vent stack, going in the south direction, sending the camera down line. We have buildup in the vertical pipe, and some buildup in the vertical pipe. We are now in the horizontal direction, and we are now in PVC. Alright, we will retrieve the camera, but this is PVC. We are set up at the 3-inch vent stack, south of the previous one that we just recorded. We have buildups on the walls of the pipe and the vertical. More buildup at the base of the pipe, as you can see. Back in the PVC that was previously recorded in the other vent stack. We will retrieve the camera and set up at the vent stack, the next vent stack. We are now set up at the 3-inch vent stack, south of the one we just previously recorded. We build up on the walls of the vertical vent pipe. Still in the vertical, looked like there was some sort of repair. Now it goes back to, transitions back to cast iron, back to PVC. That's another transition. Lens is distorted. We will try to see if we can clear it up before retrieving the camera. We were able to get down line further, however, still cameras submerge underwater due to buildup in the sewer line. We will retrieve the camera and set up at the next vent stack. We are set up at the 3-inch vent stack. We're still on the shingle roof, sending the camera down line. And we have buildup, heavy buildup on the walls of this vertical vent pipe. We're on the horizontal portion, which is on the water. The pipe is completely submerged underwater, and we just came out of the belly. A belly is a part of the pipe that sags down, and it allows water and solids to stay stagnant in the pipe. It looks like we just cleared the belly. Now we're in PVC. We will retrieve the camera and set up at the next vent stack. We are set up at the 3-inch vent stack south of the previous one we just recorded, sending the camera down line. We are at the horizontal portion of this sewer line. And there is buildup on the walls. We've just made it to the PVC. We've just made it to the PVC. We will retrieve the camera and set up at the next vent stack. We are set up at the 3-inch vent stack, south of where we just previously recorded. We got heavy buildup on the walls of the pipe. This is the vertical. Heavy buildup on the walls of the pipe. That's PVC pipe, which means there was a repair, but we're back into the transitions back into cast iron. So there was some sort of wall repair. Now we transition back to PVC. Okay, and the transitions back to cast iron. We will retrieve the camera because The remaining portion of this line was recorded from the other vent stack. We are set up at the final vent stack at the south end of this roof, the shingle roof for the 1340 building. This is the roof that is in the direction north and south. There is another roof that is east and west that is also being recorded. And we are now in the horizontal portion of the sewer line. There is buildup in the sewer line. Buildup in the sewer line. Rust and scale buildup. Okay, we about 8 feet down line. We'll retrieve the camera and set up at the clean out that is downstairs. Again, this is the last vent stack for the south, the roof in the north and south direction. But we are at the last south vent stack. About to retrieve the camera and set up down at the clean out